Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for Hope. We are getting ready right now to go pick up Hope's sister, Love. Hope and Love spent the first 8 months of their life together because Hope is blind. Love was her CNI buddy. It's been 8 months since the girls saw each other. So we're gonna go get Love, and then we're gonna reunite the girls forever. They will never be separated again, and they will always have each other. Hope and Love were both born at a factory dairy farm. Hope was purchased by a family. They were gonna raise her and breed her for their family's dairy needs. But when they got her home, they realized that she was blind. So the family kept her and then purchased Love. They spent the first 8 months of their life together. So the bond that they formed when they were just days old, they were inseparable.
They love each other already.
But the family never had intended on purchasing 2 calves. Hope needed a home, and thankfully we here at Sail Ranch Animal Sanctuary were able to offer her refuge and bring her here.
The ramp freaks her out too.
Yeah, well, she can't see. Change is tough on us, but I think as an animal with visual impairment, it's even more difficult. So when Hope came here, she was stressed, but Faithy and Cherry were kind, and they really welcomed her with open arms. They'll lay down in a circle and like groom each other. They sleep together, they eat together.
Look at Cherry. Oh my gosh.
They're really, really sweet. Hope started to settle in, and over the last 8 months, she has blossomed into a confident, happy little girl. We recently got word that life circumstances had changed again for Hope's previous owner, and Love was now in fact needing a home. We were able to work with her owner, and she is relinquishing her to us today. Let's go get her. We've never had a reunion before. I'm really excited to get these girls back together. I feel like whatever happens is exactly how it's supposed to happen. We're almost there.
She's so pretty. Oh, she's ready to go. She knows we're here.
She is. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for you.
Look how curious she is. Goof. Uh-oh.
Oh, I am so excited. Are you ready? It's been 8 months since the girls saw each other.
Good girl.
I just want to get back to the ranch with her, like, right now. Ready. I'm so excited for Hope. Let's go. Let's hit it. Now that she's in the trailer, I just can't wait. Just meeting Love for the 2 minutes that we did, I see curiosity, I see strength. Love was and will be again Hope's eyes. You know, we don't always know how things are gonna go, but I'm just so excited for Hope to have the comfort of not only her sister and her friend back, but her CNI buddy, if you will. What a huge, amazing, special gift for her. Okay, oh my gosh, here we go. Hope knows. Hope knows. Oh, you ready? Oh my goodness. Who is that? Who's here? Hope knew her sister was here before we even unloaded her. Oh my goodness. The second we got here and Love moved, Hope recognized the move. Yeah, Hopey. What do you think? She's over here, baby. Yep, she's right there. She knows. Oh my goodness. Hope is so happy right now. I'm so happy for her. Oh, that's a sweet picture.
Hi, Hopey doe. How you doing, girl?
She is so excited. The girls absolutely remembered each other. Hope was so happy. It was really a magical moment. The bond that they had, the first 8 months of their life was so special. Even though they've been apart for 8 months, I really think that bond's gonna come back. And I think that it's gonna be stronger and better than ever. It's been 2 months since we reunited the girls, and they're totally inseparable. Since Love came home, Hope is so much more confident. She's much calmer. It feels a lot like Love's always been here. These girls will never be separated again. They have the rest of their life to grow old together. And I'm so grateful that we were able to reunite them so that they're back together forever.